Okay, so here's the Earth. That is a sweet Earth, you might say. You remember that video? That's one of the earliest viral videos I remember. And I was thinking about it the other day because I've been doing this experiment with AI generated videos, trying to create videos related to sustainability using an AI tool called InVideo. And what I've noticed is that the tool can create and synthesize information, but it can't create a video that's super relatable to other humans. It's kind of like in that movie Imitation Game, where Benedict Cumberbatch is trying to relate, or his character is trying to relate to the other team members, and so he tells a joke and gives them an apple. In that same way, AI isn't trained to tell jokes or give an apple or reference something that others could relate to. When I think about truly creative people, I think about architects, designers, people like Charles and Ray Eames, Frank Gehry, Frank Lloyd Wright. I think what designers and architects do as part of their creative practice a lot is iterate. And for people that are trying to be creative and create truly innovative work, or just work that has a positive impact on the world, I think AI can help with fast iteration in a way that we haven't seen before. So when you think about creating anything, whether it's YouTube content or a building or a painting, they always say that you gotta fail a lot first, or you gotta create a bunch of stuff that sucks first. Or, well, if that's the case, why not have the speed of AI? So if you go to any architecture school in the country, you'll see students and professors doing things called critiques. You'll have a bunch of work that's been done put on a table, and everybody gets a chance to explain their work, and then everybody provides feedback, some of it good, some of it bad. If you have 15 weeks in a semester, you might have 15 critiques, one at the end of each week, so students can work on iterating for long periods of time and then get the feedback that they need. What AI would allow, or does allow now, in some contexts, is fast prototyping. So not only can you create quickly, but you can get feedback quicker. You can find out what sucks, you can critique your own work quicker, others can chew on what you've said. It's kind of related to queuing theory as well. If you think about the way things need to happen in order to come to fruition, often one thing needs to happen before another. So if it takes time to create something bad and you can accelerate that time, that means you can also accelerate the time to creating something good. So you see what doesn't work, you see what's not resonating, you see what users like, you see what the world needs, see what the world has a reaction to, and then you're able to create something better, faster. And in the context of sustainability, that's really useful. So I've been using this AI tool called InVideo to help create videos on sustainability. I'll give it a prompt and it'll generate a YouTube short, and the imagery isn't always right and the script isn't always right, and sometimes it comes out a little jumbled, but it's a matter of minutes to get a piece of creativity put together in a way that, would have taken me hours to find the right words, hours to edit the video, produce the video, find stock video that I really, really liked. And then I still wouldn't be satisfied at the end of that process, and I'd want to iterate on it. I might as well have thousands of videos that I can learn from and digest and critique and provide my own internal feedback on and receive feedback from others on. If I have thousands of points of information to pull from, thousands of artifacts that are generating feedback, that's going to inform my work so much more than, whatever I can create. Maybe dozens in a month, dozens of creative artifacts in a month versus hundreds. So this is what I'm thinking right now in terms of my creative practice and using AI to inform my design process. But I'm curious what you all think. So let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.